Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Looking for an affordable camera that's easy to use and delivers better quality than most smartphones in certain situations? Today, we're checking out the Kodak Pixpro FZ45, a compact point-and-shoot camera designed for beginners, travelers, and families. The first thing you'll notice is its lightweight and pocket-friendly design. Whether you're heading on vacation, attending family events, or simply capturing everyday memories, this camera is incredibly easy to carry anywhere. It features a 16-megapixel CMOS sensor that captures clear, vibrant photos with good detail in daylight. Combined with its 4x optical zoom, you can get closer to your subject without sacrificing image quality, making it ideal for landscapes, portraits, and travel photography. Another great feature is the 27mm wide-angle lens. It allows you to fit more into every frame, whether you're taking group photos, scenic views, or indoor shots where space is limited. For video creators, the Pixpro FZ45 records 1080p Full HD video, giving you smooth, high-quality footage for vacations, family moments, or social media content. It's simple enough for anyone to start recording with just the press of a button. The 2.7-inch LCD screen makes framing your shots and reviewing your images quick and convenient. Unlike many modern cameras that rely on rechargeable batteries, this one runs on AA batteries, which can be a lifesaver while traveling because replacements are easy to find almost anywhere. Of course, there are a few compromises. The camera doesn't offer 4K video, touchscreen controls, or advanced manual settings found on more expensive cameras. Low-light performance is also more limited compared to premium mirrorless cameras or flagship smartphones. Overall, if you're looking for an affordable, reliable, and beginner-friendly digital camera for travel, family memories, school events, or everyday photography, the Kodak Pixpro FZ45 is an excellent value for the price. Thanks for watching. If you found this review helpful, don't forget